Is there somebody I could talk to?
Yes.
Oh shit. I was not prepared for that. Man, what a voice you have. I love it. What's your name? Is that you? Oh shit, hold on, let me just get behind my purifier. I'm gonna put a little more distance between us. What's your name, ma'am?
Nicole.
Nicole. Wow, you say it like a poem. Nicole, what kind of a dog do you have?
Tell her.
Is someone prompting you, Nicole?
Yes.
Nicole, this is just you and me. I don't want your lawyers in on this.
She's a mix.
She's a mix of what?
Miniature picture, Jack Russell.
Did you change throats? What happened?